In a landmark decision, the Supreme Court has upheld a federal law that bars domestic abusers from owning firearms. This ruling comes as the court rejected arguments from gun rights groups who claimed that the prohibition violated the Second Amendment. The 8-1 decision marks one of the most closely watched cases this term, particularly following the court's expansive ruling on gun rights just 2 years ago. Chief Justice John Roberts, writing for the majority, emphasized that individuals who pose a credible threat to the safety of others can be lawfully disarmed. Roberts stated, "Our tradition of firearm regulation allows the government to disarm individuals who present a credible threat to the physical safety of others." This decision has sparked a range of reactions. President Joe Biden praised the ruling, highlighting its importance for the protection of domestic violence survivors and their families. Biden said, "As a result of today's ruling, survivors of domestic violence and their families will still be able to count on critical protections, just as they have for the past 3 decades." However, the decision wasn't without its dissenters. Justice Clarence Thomas, the lone dissenter, argued that the ruling risks infringing on Second Amendment rights for a broader segment of society. Thomas wrote, "The court and government do not point to a single historical law revoking a citizen's Second Amendment right based on possible interpersonal violence." The case at the center of this decision involved a Texas man, Zaki Rahimi, who was convicted of violating the law following a series of violent incidents, including a shooting at a restaurant. Legal analysts believe this ruling could bolster similar gun regulations that have faced challenges since the court's 2022 decision in the New York State Rifle and Pistol Association vs. Bruin case. However, many more complex cases about gun rights remain on the docket, which could further define the scope of the Second Amendment in the coming years.